Hello and welcome. I am Thomas Porteous and you are watching NewsX World. Let's take a look at some of the top stories. The United States starts collecting Trump's new 10% baseline tariff, affecting countries like the United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia and Australia. The tariffs took effect at US seaports, airports and customs warehouses, with higher levies on goods, with larger trading partners due to start next week. Global stock markets continue to plunge after China announces an additional 34% tariff on all US goods. The move, which is a direct response to Trump's Friday tariffs, marks a sharp escalation in the global trade war. The death toll from Myanmar's devastating earthquake climbs to almost 3,400, with nearly 5,000 injured and 220 still missing. This comes as the military junta leader returns from a rare foreign trip to a regional summit in the Thai capital of Bangkok. In Russian strike hits President Zelensky's hometown in Ukraine. Russia's defense minister, but Ukraine's Russian misinformation. After a round of strip, operation creates a highly dangerous situation for the Israel. The group claims that half of the surviving captives are in areas has ordered evacuation. A Venezuelan man legally living in the US was mistakenly sent to an El Salvadorian mega prison with migrants accused of gang ties. A federal judge has ordered his return by April the 7th after ruling the deportation as unlawful. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrives in Colombo, Sri Lanka for a weekend visit focused on bilateral relations. The Prime Minister receives a ceremonial welcome and a guard of honour. British comedian and actor Russell Brand is charged with 2 counts of rape and indecent assault in the United Kingdom. According to reports, the alleged offences took place between 1999 and 2005. Brand denies the allegations.